Dear students, as you all know that we have started packing. So now till now we have studied, let's do a very quick recapitulation of what we have studied. Here we have studied about three friends who are going on a trip, and obviously when you're going on a trip, what is the main thing that you have to do is packing. So these three were ready to pack, and one of them, who is the main character here, was Zeromi, who was very proud of himself that he's very good at packing. And whereas his three friends, they were very lazy, they did not know how to pack. In fact, they were just looking at him when he was packing instead of helping him. So this was the thing which irritated him a lot. So now one more thing which irritated him a lot was that he was when he started packing, and when he finished it, after then Harris told him that he has forgot to put the boots in. This was the thing which irritated him a lot, because throughout the time he was just seeing him packing and he could have reminded him that time. And one more thing which irritated him was when his friend George laughed at him instead of telling him. So he put the boots in, and then he was searching for his toothbrush, and finally he found his toothbrush in his boot. So till here we have studied in the previous video. Now let's proceed and see what happens. When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. See again. Now firstly they asked him whether he put the boots in or not. Now again they are asking him whether he had put the soap in or not. So now Zeromi said, I said I didn't care a hang. A hang means he showed no concern. That means he did not care about it. The soap was in or whether it was not. And I slammed. Slammed means he shut the lid. That means the luggage bag which he was packing, he shut the lid forcefully and he was trying to pack it. And then later on, usko yaad aaya that he had put his spectacles in it. And then again, obviously, because you need the spectacles, so he had to again reopen it, and then he removed his spectacles from it. It got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. So this packing finally ended at 10:05 p.m. at the night. And then there remained the hampers. So yet the whole packing was not done. It was just the packing of their basic things. Now hampers were remaining. Hampers is a basket where you eat eatables item in it. So whenever you go, आप हमेशा अपने साथ एक बास्केट कैरी करते हैं जिसमें फूड आइटम्स होते हैं. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time, and thought that he and George had better do the rest. And I agreed and sat down, and they had a go. So now they decided that whenever you go in a trip or in a tour, आप क्या करते हो? You need proper sleep so that आप जब वहाँ जाएंगे you can enjoy it properly. So now they thought कि now even they wanted to help him. Help whom? Help Zeromi. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment, I only waited. So now they started, they were happy to while starting, and now Zeromi, what did he do? He did not say anything, and he was just waiting. Waiting for what? Waiting for them to see how they pack. With the exception is a person or thing that does not follow the general rule. जो जैसे for example एक class में everybody follows a rule or everybody likes to play in the playground, but whereas there is one boy who doesn't like to play, so that is a exception case. मतलब वो बाकी जो general rule होते हैं जो वो follow नहीं करता, that person or that thing is known as exception. Harris is the worst packer in this world. So now his friend Harris was the worst packer. He did not know how to pack, whereas Zeromi, he knew how to pack very well. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc., and felt that the thing would be soon become exciting. So now ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग समवेयर आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें लेके जानी होती है, कप्स, प्लेट्स. इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग यू नीड टू पुट ऑन द प्लेट्स और कप्स. सो ही नाउ जेरोमी इज सेइंग कि आई लुक्ड कि काफ़ी सारी प्लेट्स थी, कप्स, केटल्स, बॉटल्स, जार्स, काफ़ी सारा आइटम था टू पैक. एंड नाउ ही वाज थिंकिंग कि अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज दे हैड टू पैक ऑल दीज आइटम्स. It did. They started with breaking a cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do and to get you interested. So now, initially when they started to do packing, the first thing that they did was they broke a cup. See, अपनी packing उन्होंने packing ही start की थी and then they broke a cup. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. And they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. See, now it is very obvious that you cannot put the light item things down and you cannot put heavy items on light items because वो crush हो जाएंगे obviously. So Harris now, who is a very worst packer, उसने क्या किया, उसने जो स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम का बॉटल था वो टोमेटो को ऊपर रख दिया तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है वो स्क्वैश हो जाएगा, क्रश हो जाएगा. एंड देन एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर तो उनको जब ये क्रश पोर्शन को टीस्पून से निकालना पड़ा. फर्स्ट थिंग जो उन्होंने गलती की दैट वाज दे ब्रोक अ कप. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग दे स्क्वैश द टोमेटो. एंड देन इट वॉज जॉर्ज टर्न. अभी तक हैरिस ने गलती की, अब जॉर्ज की टर्न है. He trod on the butter. Trod means he stepped on the butter, as you can see in the picture here. He trod, he put his legs on the butter. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. So now what did Zeromi do? He did not say anything. ये जब सारी चीज़ें हो रही थी, they were destroying a lot of things. Zeromi did not say anything. In fact, he came to the edge of the table and he was just watching them. And now he is saying कि इसके friends को क्या चीज़ irritate कर रही थी कि he is a very good person in packing. तो obviously वो चाहते थे कि Zeromi उनको guide करे, but Zeromi was not guiding them. So they were, getting irritated. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things and put things behind them and then could not find them when they wanted them. अब क्या हुआ, they were very nervous and excited as well because they were packing. So when you are excited and nervous you forget things. So वो अपने पीछे अगर कोई सामान रख रहे थे, they were searching here and there but they could not find कि the item was just behind their back. And they packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies in. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने जो पाइस है उनको एकदम बॉटम में रखा, बॉटम मतलब एकदम नीचे रखा और उसके ऊपर हैवी आइटम रख दिया. तो इसके वजह से फिर से जो पाइस है वो स्मैश हो गई थी. They upset means overturned, salt over everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. So this is a kind of phrase. Now he's saying कि earlier only Zeromi was packing and when he was packing he made sure कि वो कोई गलती ना करे and he was packing very nicely. But here now 2 people were there who were packing and इनको obviously इतना time नहीं लगना चाहिए but they were taking a lot of time and they were destroying things. So now in this what happened, there was butter that was kept in the chair and they were searching for the butter here and there. Then they started round the room again looking for it and then they met again in the center and started at one another. So now again and again they were searching here and there for the butter but they could not find it. And the butter was right on the chair. Now as you can see in the picture, while they are packing there is a dog Now, who is this dog? Montmorency was in it all, of course. Montmorency's, the name of the dog was Montmorency. So now Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn. Sworn means get scolded at. So now they are telling about the characteristics of the dog, that Montmorency was a kind of dog जो हर एक चीज़ के बीच में आ जाता था and लोगों से then people used to scold him. If he can fit in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted and be a perfect nuisance and make people mad and have things thrown at his head, and then he feels his day has not been wasted. So now they are saying कि ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ वैसे मॉन्टमोरेंसी की जब ज़रूरत नहीं होती ही गोज़ देयर एंड देन वो लोगों की चीज़ों डिस्ट्रॉय करता है एंड ऑब्वियसली इवेंचुअली पीपल हिट एट हिम एंड व्हेन दे हिट एट हिम तो तब जाके मॉन्टमोरेंसी को लगता है कि मैंने आज का दिन अपना वेस्ट नहीं किया. सो ही वॉज वेरी notorious animal. Again in this slide they are telling about Montmorency. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object. So again here they are saying his highest aim was to trouble people, just to trouble people, and then when they used to get irritated, this made his day. He came and sat down on things just when they were wanted to be packed. जैसे वो पैक करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे मॉन्टमोरेंसी वो आइटम में आके बैठ जा रहा था. And he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it was his cold damp nose that they wanted. तो जब जॉर्ज और हैरिस पैक कर रहे थे तो वो किसी भी आइटम की तरफ अगर जब हाथ बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे तो दे कुड ओनली फाइंड द नोज, कोल्ड नोज ऑफ मॉन्टमोरेंसी. दैट मीन्स मॉन्टमोरेंसी हर एक जगह में आ रहा था जहां दे वर अबाउट टू टेक दैट थिंग. सी इट इज ऑब्वियस व्हेन अगर आप पैक कर रहे हो एंड इफ आप यू आर नॉट गुड एट इट, आपको प्रॉपर्ली करना नहीं आ रहा है एंड देयर इज समबडी टू इरिटेट यू. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons. Worried means disturbed. So the teaspoons were laid properly. वो उसने teaspoons को भी इधर उधर कर दिया था. And he pretended that the lemons were rats. Lemons are हिंदी में हम इन्हें नींबू कहेंगे. तो when जब hampers में lemons थे, Montmorency को ऐसा लगा the dog that they are rats. And got into the hamper and killed 3 of them before Harris could land him with the frying pan. So जो ये डॉग है मॉन्टमोरेंसी को उसको ऐसा लगा कि जो हैम्पर में लेमन है वो रैट है and he jumped into it and he was trying to kill it. But जब when he was trying to kill it तो क्या हुआ, हैरिस ने जब देखा उसने एक फ्राइंग पैन लिया मॉन्टमोरेंसी को मारने के लिए. सो अब आपको पता चल गया होगा कि मॉन्टमोरेंसी ने कितना ज़्यादा इन लोगों को डिस्टर्ब किया. Harris said, I encouraged him. I didn't encourage him. Now Harris is saying, I encouraged him. I here is Zeromy. Harris ने बोला कि Montmorency is doing all these things because Zeromy has encouraged him. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. It's a natural original sin that is born in him that makes him do things like that. So now Zeromy is giving the explanation. How can he encourage him? ये जो डॉग है ही इज बॉर्न विद दैट थिंग दैट ही इज गोइंग टू इरिटेट पीपल. द पैकिंग वाज डन एट 12:50. नाउ दिस 12:50 हियर इज AM बिकॉज इफ यू रिमेंबर जब ज़ेरोमी ने पैकिंग ख़त्म कर ली थी अपनी लगेज बैग की, द टाइम देन वाज 10:05 PM. And after that time, these two friends decided to pack the hamper, and it took a lot of time for them to, more than 2 hours. And then after 12:50 AM, they finished their packing. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken, which reflection seemed to comfort him. He also said he was ready for bed. So now जैसे उसने देखा, जेरोमी ने, like if you remember in the previous video I explained to you that after finishing the packing Zeromi sat on the luggage bag just ताकि वो अच्छे से बंद हो जाए. So here similarly George was doing the same thing. He sat on the hamper without even thinking कि hamper एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें eatable item होंगे and he can smash it. And then after finishing the packing they decided that they have to sleep because they have to get up early in the morning. We tossed for beds. That means they went in the bed to sleep, and Harris had to sleep with me. That means Harris had to sleep with Zeromi. He said, "Do you prefer the inside or the outside, Jay?" Now, inside and outside of the bed means, if your bed is attached to the wall, that means that is the inside portion, whereas the outside portion is from where you can easily get out of the bed. So now he was asking कि आप किस साइड सोगे, inside part or outside part. So they was just having the conversation here, and then फिर उन्होंने they were saying, "What time shall I wake you fellows?" Now Harris said 7, and Zeromi said कि no, please wake up us at 6 o'clock because I have to write some letters. Harris and I had a bit of row means they had an argument. Why? Because Harris wanted George to wake him up at 7 o'clock, whereas Zeromi wanted कि वो 6 बजे उठाए because he wanted to write some letter. So after having an argument they decided कि ये लोग 6:30 AM उठेंगे. George made no answer, and we found on going over that he had asleep for some time. So now when they were just talking, तो उनको बाद में पता चला कि George had slept, and that is the reason why he was not answering. So when they were asking the question, he was not answering because he fell asleep. So this is about this packing, which is a very sweet story in which आपको पता चला there were 3 friends who were ready to go at some place to a trip, and they had to pack. So here in this story आपको पता चला कि Zeromi was a very good person जिसको packing बहुत अच्छे से आती थी, whereas his 2 friends, especially Harris, was worst packer. He did not know how to pack, and while packing they destroyed a lot of things. And यही चीज़ कम नहीं थी that the addition to the trouble was Montmorency, the dog of Zeromi, who again created a lot of trouble for them while packing. So at last they finished the packing at 12:50 AM, and then they wanted to sleep and they fell asleep. So now again see here, so we placed the bath where he could tumble. As you can see in the picture, that what did they do? They kept a tub of water जहाँ कहाँ जॉर्ज के बेड के साइड में, so that whenever at morning he is going to get up and he is going to fall at this tub, और वो सुबह इन सबको उठा पाए. I hope students this story is clear to you. Thank you.